Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, to every homeowner, or even if you're not homeowner but you are living in Canada, there is an item I would highly recommend. That's called a safety box. Okay, why you need this? It's not like this is something that you can use to hide your document, hide your money or something. No, most of the houses in Canada are made of wood, right? You can see that means they are very susceptible to fire. Okay, and we have incidents of wildfire, sometimes flooding and all. So your very important documents like your passport, your bank document, something, you should have it safe so that in case there is a fire in your house and you have to vacate it immediately, you should not worry about your documents. Just go out, get out, save yourself, save your family members. Anything that's very valuable like your property paper or something, it is safe here. So like, I'm not saying you just buy this one. There are many like this. If you search for fire safety box on Amazon, Home Depot or any site, you're gonna see a lot of them. But yes, you should have something like this. I don't have money to save in this, but yeah, I have documents like my passport, other certificates that I want to be safe in case of any disaster. Disasters don't happen daily and nobody wants them, but they do happen and without prior information, so you got to protect. So I'm just gonna do unboxing of this Sentry Safe fire safety box. So I opened the top. So these are the keys, of course, like they provide too, so I should have it. And this is like a briefcase. Of course, this comes in various format, including like what do you call, a safety deposit box too. Okay, so now I have opened. Of course, like there should be multiple keys, and I'm trying to open to see what exactly. Okay, yeah, see, it's not a very big one. It's not a very big one, but important, like your passport and some other highly valuable documents can be saved here, depending upon size and other things. Okay, so this is how you should protect them. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.